with JAXON Education. Today's spotlight belongs to our CBD tincture with balanced omegas. JAXON's Omega CBD Tincture provides not only CBD, but a balanced dose of omega fatty acids. This CBD tincture tends to alleviate pain, reduce stress, reduce anxiety, and increase the overall function of your endocannabinoid system. Users also reported improved sleep. It's important to note, though, that effects may vary. Many people find that this tincture can be used at any time of the day. Made with natural ingredients, this vegan, plant-based, gluten-free and non-GMO, non-allergenic formula is packed with a 3-to-1 balanced fatty acid ratio. The recommended dose is 1 full dropper per day. CBD delivery is best sublingually, that's under the tongue, but the tincture can also be added to a beverage or dish. Each serving contains 50 milligrams of CBD. Each bottle contains 30 servings or 1,500 milligrams of CBD. Using CBD tincture will not get you high. All of our tinctures are federally legal with less than 0.3% Delta-9 THC. All of our products are third-party tested for quality and safety. Shipping is discreet for your peace of mind. Thank you for choosing JAXON.